Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Love, welcome back sa programang Biyahe, ang programang sakto, klaro, diretso. Now it's time for us to move forward with our Biyahe for tonight. Hashtag Biyaheng Matapang. Takot ka bang aminin kay crush na gusto mo siya kasi takot kang ma-reject? O sige, magbabay ka na sa idea na magiging kayong dalawa. O bakit? Diretsahan lang, love. Paano mo ba kasi nakukuha yung mga bagay na gusto mo? 'Di ba pinaghihirapan mo? Paano mo ba napupuntahan ang mga lugar na gusto mong marating? 'Di ba naglalakbay ka, mapuntahan mo lang ito. Ganon din sa pag-ibig, kabisyo. Yes, rejection is a possibility, but it is not the only possibility. How will you ever know that there is a chance na maging kayo if lagi ka na lang ligaw tingin? Ika nga nila, love, if you're brave enough to start, you are strong enough to finish. Kaya snap out of that fear and go get your chance of being with someone you love. Drop all the ifs and buts na nandyan sa utak mo kasi it won't help you. Lagi mong tatandaan, there's no failure in trying. The fact na sumubok ka, sumugal ka, kinuha mo yung pagkakataong maging masaya ka, you already won. Okay? And tuloy-tuloy lang ang ating hashtag biyahe for tonight. It's hashtag biyaheng matapang. Alam mo, love, isa sa pinakamagandang example ng katapangan para sa akin ay yung hango sa mga kabisyo nating miyembro ng LGBTIQ community. They have learned to embrace who they are, and the most important thing is, they became proud of it. Kapag natutunan mo kasing tanggapin yung sarili mo, love, mas maiintindihan mo yung gusto mo. Mas magiging malinaw sa'yo kung saan ka patungo. Mas makikita mo yung direksyon ng buhay mo kasi alam mo sa sarili mo, this is where you wanna go and there's nothing in this life that can stop you from getting there. Kaya, love, accept who you are. Accepting who you are is teaching you the courage to love yourself more. You may not be as perfect as the ideal person in your head, but you are awesome. Lagi mo yan tatandaan. So let's take it from there. Let's embrace our shortcomings, flaws, and even our detractors o yung mga taong hindi naniniwala sa atin with our heads held up high. Taas noo. This is who you are and there's nothing to be ashamed of it. Gets mo ko, love? So, if you want people to love you for who you really are, maybe it's about time you fall in love with yourself first, okay? Well, love, bago tayo tumungo sa ating diva playlist, paalala lang muna sa mga pa-diva out there na hindi masaway. Nako, para matuldukan na po natin ang pandemic na ito, please, stay at home. Please, seryosohin ang social distancing. Please, just do as you're told, okay? Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang ating biyahe for tonight, hashtag biyaheng matapang. Alam mo, love, ang pinaka nakakatakot nga naman sa buhay ng isang tao ay ang fear of the unknown. Parang itong epidemyang ito. Just try to imagine, lahat tayo may takot dito kasi hindi natin alam ang pwedeng mangyari bukas. We have no clue as to when it will end. Until when are we like this? But one thing is for sure, we know what to do today. Love, if you look beyond the dark clouds of this pandemic, you'll see that life is just being life, full of challenges and mysteries, and that's the beauty of it. Kaya anuman tong sama-sama nating nararanasan, basta sa kanya-kanyang maliliit na paraan at patuloy tayong sumusunod at nakikipagtulungan. Together, we can get through this challenge, okay? So, acknowledge the fear of the unknown but brave through it. You are not alone. Gusto ko yang i-reiterate sa lahat ng mga tao out there na sa tingin nila mag-isa lang silang nakikibaka dito, mag-isa lang silang nahihirapan dito. You are wrong in that. We are with you on this, okay?
Always your number one SM radio station. Love Radio.
Love, kung natuwa ka sa aming video, i-click mo na yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para naman notified ka sa mga bago naming videos.